Huwag palaging magsha-shampoo kasi akala nyo nalilinis nyo palagi yung buhok. Ibig sabihin healthy siya. No. Hi, my name is Mizaki Hamada, but lots of my friends call me Aki. And I am a senior hairstylist here at J. Watan Salon. Well, I've been in the industry for almost 2 decades now. And what inspired me is my mom. My mom is also a hairstylist and a nail technician back when we were kids. I've always seen her doing her thing. So that's what makes me inspired that one day or soon I become a good hairdresser and I can make people happy with my talent. Well, my favorite part of being a hairstylist is that I could able to make people happy and play with the colors, do my thing as a designer, not just in a in a dress, but also in the hair industry design. I love doing art and I love playing colors. Well, as a hairstylist, I think my strength is playing colors, like passion color, especially passion color, balayage, those technical colors. So that is my strength, and I really love to discover something new. So most of the time I do explore and try new things. The most memorable transformation that I have done sa client is pag ang client dumating and then she tell me na galing na siya sa ibang salon, sa ibang brand na salon, and then lots of stylists refuse to do her hair. And then pagdating sa akin, nagawan ko ng na-justify ko yung gawa. Natuwa si client, umabot sa point na halos mangiyak-ngiyak na siya sa tuwa. So, yun yung pinaka-memorable, I think, experience na nangyari sa akin na transform ko, hindi lang yung buhok ni client, but also yung believe niya sa styling industry at saka yung tiwala niya sa sarili niya, yung kanyang confident na pa-boost ko pa. So, I think, yun yung pinaka-memorable para sa akin. Why should client choose J. Watan Salon? It is because we are very transparent in terms of price, and honest, of course, kung ano yung pwede at hindi pwedeng gawin sa buhok mo. And magagaling kami. Yun lang talaga. Ang masasabi ko sa aking mga current and future client, always trust your hairstylist. Be honest kung ano yung pinagawa nyo or previous na pinagawa nyo sa hair nyo para alam ni hairstylist kung ano yung gagawin niya. Okay? Maging honest kayo sa kanya para maging honest din yung hairstylist sa inyo. And build a relationship with your hairstylist and let's trust each other. Hair tips para mapanatiling healthy ang buhok. Huwag palaging magsha-shampoo kasi akala nyo nalilinis nyo palagi yung buhok. Ibig sabihin healthy siya. No. Ang tamang pag-shampoo is twice a week lang siya. Yun na yung pinakamadalas. And making sure that you use a right product to your hair. Meron tayong sulfate-free shampoo, meron ding sobrang malalakas na shampoo. So, depende sa kung ano yung needs ng hair mo. Depende kung ang hair mo ba ay hydrated or dehydrated, ganon. So, may kanya-kanyang types ng hair. Ibig sabihin, may kanya-kanya itong needs. Pero, ang pinaka-safe way is to use shampoo twice a week lang talaga. That's all. So, I'm encouraging everyone, sa lahat ng mga client at sa magiging client pa namin in the future na pumunta lamang po kayo sa J. Watan Salon kasi, guys, as just like what I've said a while ago na we are transparent when it's come to pricing and mababait ang mga stylists and junior ng J. Watan Salon and we always make it sure na kung hindi man namin kayo ma-please, at least we do our best. That's all.